Ever pondered over the potential of your laptop, smartphone or tablet to become your personal money-making machine? Wondered how the digital world could transform your financial landscape? If yes, then this is your moment to delve into the universe of online earning. Imagine making money from the comfort of your home, while sipping coffee at your favorite cafe, or even while traveling across the globe. The internet has truly revolutionized the way we work and earn. It's a world full of opportunities ready to be seized by anyone willing to take the plunge. So, what are some of these opportunities? How can one turn the internet into a profitable venture? There are countless ways, but today we'll focus on a few popular methods. First up, freelance work. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have opened up a world of opportunities for professionals in various fields. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there's likely a freelance gig out there for you. Then there's blogging. If you have a knack for writing and a passion you'd like to share with the world, starting a blog could be your ticket to online earning. Through advertising revenue, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing, successful bloggers can earn a pretty penny. Speaking of affiliate marketing, this is another lucrative online earning method. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link, you can generate significant income. Next, consider online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field or subject, you can share your knowledge and get paid for it. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and VIP Kid make it easy to connect with students around the world. Online surveys and testing websites are another way to earn. Companies pay for consumer feedback, and platforms like Swagbucks and user testing offer paid opportunities for users to review products or websites. Finally, selling products online, whether they're handmade crafts on Etsy, vintage goods on eBay, or digital products on your own website, can be a solid source of income. To wrap things up, the internet is a vast ocean of opportunities when it comes to earning money. From freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing to online tutoring, surveys, and selling products, the options are virtually limitless. Remember, the key to successful online earning lies in finding what suits you best, being consistent, and continuously learning and adapting. As with any venture, it requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to invest time and effort. So why not explore these opportunities? Why not make the most of the digital age and transform your financial future? The world of online earning awaits you. Dive in and discover the potential that lies within your reach.